Hey there, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can learn English in Duolingo app. For that, simply install and download Duolingo app on your mobile phone. You need to open the Duolingo app and you'll be access to this page of the Duolingo where it is shown various kind of language you want to select. But now how we can select the English language in the Duolingo. The first page before learning English, people face this problem to choose the English here because particularly English option isn't available here. Simply you can scroll down and see there is no English written here, but you can choose English in other languages. So simply tap on anyone. If you are French, then you can choose this first option, that is English. Tap on that and tap on continue, and this will change the app's interface to French. Tap on change to phrase. So you should only choose this option if you already speak French. So simply tap to change to French. Wait until it is loaded. You can choose any one of it in the Duolingo here. Once you choose, tap on the continuer. If you don't understand the language, the main aim is to learn English in Duolingo app. So simply you can choose any one and tap on continuer. So in this page it is asked how much would you like to learn a day? 3 minutes per jour. Simply tap on that and tap on continuer. And once you are done with filling all this option, then tap on continue for the last time, and you will be access to this page where it is teaching us English, that is what is T. So here you can choose and you can easily learn English in the Duolingo app like this. So you can select the image and tap on validator, and here it is correctly shown. The T is called the. So in this way you can easily learn English in the Duolingo app. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel.